Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn another very interesting topic related to Google Sheet, that how can we turn a very attractive project activity tracker and monitoring system using Google Sheet. This is the Google Sheet that can be structured as per your requirements. Even it can be shared and provided to the user with the login authentication to update their activity on daily basis. At the moment, we have not yet set up the user authentication method, but just project and activity. So it can be used for any purpose like this one that I have created. I have created activity related to a project, that is ERP implementation activity and related modules. So in this type of uh, tracker can be used or can be implemented or created using Google Sheet for any project. In this project, I have created a dashboard page that actually show a snapshot of all activities. Like in my case, I created total to 21 activities. Then how many are completed, like there are 5 completed activities, it is are in process, and 136 are pending. So in a one snapshot, the management can view the progress of the project. Similarly, while going to the module progress, I have created in module, and then under the module there are activities, like there are, this is the first activity, that's project prep and kickoff. There were 11 activity out of 11, 4 have been completed, so we can see the progress of related module, and in this way we can use this uh, template and the project activity system. In the second item in the navigation bar, I have created activity where project wise, the module wise activity can be filtered. Either we can select this with the status of activities, in progress activities, or the completed activities. So this, similarly we can even add the activity or even update the activity if we required. So when we click on the add activity, we will select the module status, activity name, start date, expected end date, who is responsible, and what is progress so far. So in this way we can at the end we can generate report for the project monitoring system. If you want to create, I will definitely share to download this template from the channel, or from if you would like, you can text me comments so that I can provide you this template. And if you need any further assistance that how it can be created, this we can create this backend script and the HTML CSS code, you can contact. I will hopefully share with you all the details. If you like this, please share, comment for further development such practical required templates. Thank you very much.